Guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing really well and staying safe at home. So for today's video I tried to create this very natural nude kind of a makeup. It's actually no makeup look. One thing I want to clear for you guys, no makeup look doesn't mean that we are not going to use any makeup. It actually means we are going to use minimum product as usual. We are not going to go with that heavy coverage foundation or anything. We are going to use very minimum product, quick makeup look which you can wear it any day, anywhere, wherever you want to. So yes, if you're interested to know, if you want to know how I created this beautiful makeup look, then please keep on watching. First thing first, I'm going to sanitize my hand. It's very important to sanitize your hand before you start up your makeup. And for my face, I'm using this Garnier anti-wrinkle cream to give a moisturized effect. Moving on to my lips, I'm using this Wadi herbal lip balm. And for my face today, I'm not going with the foundation. I'm only using a concealer. This is a Kryolan Supra Color Concealer in the shade FS28. I'm applying on my dark circles, pigmentation, wherever I am feeling I have a problematic area like dark circle pigmentation, and only applying over there and blending it with the finger. As you can see, blending it perfectly. Now to lock this base, I'm using this Maybelline Compact, Maybelline White Fresh Compact, and applying all over my face, especially under my eyes, so there will be no creasing. And I'm using a makeup sponge to apply the powder to absorb all the excess oil. And moving to my eyebrow, I'm using this Miss Claire eyebrow pencil in the shade dark brown to fill up my brows. Next step is my blush. For my blush today, I'm using the Maybelline lipstick. Guys, you can see I'm using this lipstick in the multi-purpose. You will see, just wait and watch. So you can use this as an eyeshadow, blush, lipstick, of course. So I'm blending the lipstick as my blush. It will give the very natural finish, very natural color to my face. And moving to my eyeshadow, I'm using the same lipstick and applying on my fingertip and tapping on my eyelid to give the natural color. So here we're done with the eyeshadow. Moving to my mascara, I'm using this Maybelline Hyper Curl mascara to apply all over my eyelashes to make it little voluminous and lengthy. So I'm applying it all over my eyelashes. While applying, if you feel you have smudged a little bit mascara, then don't worry, take a fresh Q-tip and just clean whatever this mess you have created. Now moving on my next step, I'm using this In Color highlighter. This is my favorite highlighter, you guys. I'm using it with the finger only because today I want that natural glow on my face. So if you want a natural glow, you can just apply with the finger, so it will give more natural look. Applying on my eyebrow, brow bone, inner corner, everywhere I'm applying wherever it's needed, the high points, but I'm only applying with my fingertip. Here I'm applying it in my inner corner and doing an extra step. If you want, you can stop here, but I'm doing this extra step because I feel my eyes are little small. So I'm taking a black eyeshadow and just creating a small wing to my waterline, so it will define my eyes, as you can see. So for my lipstick, I'm using a Bella Vista lipstick. It's a lip crayon in the shade Lean On. So here I'm applying the same shade, which is very nice nudie shade, and I'm feeling it's quite nude, so I'm applying the Maybelline lipstick to bring that mauve color back to my lips. So as we're done with our makeup, let's move to our hair. Today I'm going to make a simple messy bun. It's a very easy quick hairstyle. For this, so you only have to do remove some hair strands from a corner of your ears and put all the hair together up as a pony, and now start twisting it and put it in a bun and then secure it with the pin. So here we are done. This was so quick. It's my favorite go-to hairstyle, you guys. Now you can pair it with any accessories, whatever you want to pair it with. So for this, I'm pairing it with the earring and the pendant. It's actually Radhika name pendant, and for this completing this look, I'm just highlighting my collarbone. So this was my final look, guys, with the makeup and hair. I hope you enjoy watching it. If you do so don't forget to comment. It would mean a lot for me. Guys, if you like my video, then please don't forget to give a big thumbs up. It would mean a lot for me. And yes, before we finish the video, I would like to tell you that I'm super active on my Instagram page as well. I create 1-minute short video or makeup looks over there as well. So if you're interested, you can check it out my Instagram page as well. I will put some picture or something over here, so you can check it out. If you're interested, then you can come say hi on my Instagram or as well. Take care. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.